Welcome back, my dear students. In the last session, we have learned part 2 of chapter number 8, comparing quantities. Today, let us learn part 3 of chapter number 8. Exercise 8.3, question number 1. Calculate the amount and compound interest on. In the question, it says that to find out amount and compound interest. These questions are same, so let's try this question number C. Rupees 62,500 for 1/2 year at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. In this question says that if principal is rupees 62,500 and time is one half years and rate is 8% and interest is compounded half yearly, then we have to find out amount and compound interest. For this, we need to apply the formula to find out amount and compound interest. Okay, let's try this. So here, in this question number C, principal P is given as rupees 62,500 and time is represented by n, that is 1/2 years. So here you see this compound interest is compounded half yearly, so this time 1 whole number 1 by 2 years we have to convert into half yearly. So in 1/2 years there are 3 half years. So 3 half years. Let me explain how this 3 half years comes. In 1 year, there are 2 half years. 2 half years. So in 1 year, if there are 2 half years, then again here is another half. So if we add this, then 3 half years is getting. Rate is given as 8% per annum. 8% per annum. 8% per annum means 8% per year. So since interest is compounded half yearly, and this also we have to convert into half yearly. So if 8 is divided by 2, then we'll get per half yearly. Per half yearly. If 2 divide 8, then we are getting 4. So 4% per half yearly. Then we have to find out amount and compound interest. Now formula, we know amount is equal to principal 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n. This is the formula I have given before. This formula, amount is equal to p 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n. We have to use this formula. So formula is writing, then here principal P is this 62,500 bracket 1 plus rate is 4 by 100 whole to the power n is 3. So 3. Let us calculate this value. 62,500, this number, 1 plus 4 by 100, let us add together. So here is 100, 1 into 100 is 100 plus 4 whole to the power 3. 62,500, 100 plus 4 is 104 whole by 100 whole to the power 3. Let us divide by 4. 4 2 times is 8, 4 5 times is 20. Now 104, let us divide by 2. 4 2 times is 8, 19, 24. 4 6 times is 24. 26 by 25 is getting. Then 62500 into, here is part 3, so 26 by 25 into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. If this 25 divide this, we will get 25, then 0 0. Then again this 25 divide this. 25 one time is 25, then 2 0. Again this 25 divide this, that is 4 times. Now let's multiply 4 into 26 into 26 into 26. If we multiply 26 into 26 into 26 into 4, we are getting this. So rupees 70,304. This is the amount. Next is we have to find out compound interest. Therefore, compound interest is, the formula to find out compound interest is amount minus principal. This formula, compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So amount A is this rupees 70,304 minus principal P is here rupees 62,500. This. If we subtract these two, we are getting this rupees 7,804. This is the answer. Understand or now? Six gyan tare ko. Do the how's next see question number 3 again. Question number 3 here. Let's study question. Fabina borrows rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest, and Radha borrowed the same amount for the same time period at 10% per annum compounded annually. Who pays more interest and by how much? Question the howji hai si Fabina na rupees 12,500 si rate na 12% da aduga time na 3 years da simple interest da pure haba. Aduga Radha na samana ba amount to same time da hai badi 3 years da rate na 10% da compounded annually da pure. Who pays more interest and by how much? Ado itar di kanana interest kayam hem na kayam yam na piga de geba. Kanana interest hen na kayam yam na hen na piga de geba. Hai badi Fabina na interest hen na piga dra, Radha na interest hen na piga dra, kayam yam hen ka de du pothoye. Si hojik tawar si dudi. Question number 3 solution. For Fabina principal, Fabina gi hojik principal to irage. Question da piram bai matugina principal is rupees 12,000 ni. Time de 3 years ni. Rate de 12% ni. 12% per annum ni. Per annum. Now formula, we know simple interest is equal to P into R into time by 100. Kaya tarake yung si principal is rupees 12,000, rate is 12, time is 3 by 100. Sige 0 aniga kalthanare. Hojik sige si multiply tawar si 12 into 12 ti 144 tani 3 na multiply 3 4 are 12 3 4 are 12 13 3 1 time is 3 plus 1 is 4 sida 0 amaga si tar ni rupees 4,320 tar. For Radha principal is same, so rupees 12,000. In compound interest, N is year, so N is 3 Rate is 10%, that is given. 10% per annum. Now the formula to find out amount is P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power N. Now next steps. Principal is this 12000. 1 plus rate is 10 divided by 100 whole to the power N is 3. 12000. 1 plus 10 by 100. If we take LCM 100, 1 into 100 is 100 plus 10 whole to the power 3. Next, 12000. 100 plus 10 is 110 by 100 whole power 3. 0 cancel. 12000. 11 by 10. Since here is power 3, we have to multiply 3 times. 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. This 0, this 0, this 0, this 0, and this 0 and this 0 are cancelled. Now let us multiply this. 11 into 11 is 1 to 1. Again multiply by 11. 1 to 1, 1 to 1. 1, 3, 3, 1. Again we will multiply by 12. 12. When I wrote principal, I look in this question number 4 and I'm writing this 12,000 instead of this. So I make mistake. So let me correct principal. Principal must be 12,500. So let me correct once. So this principal must be this, then this becomes now 5, and if we multiply 1 to 5 into 12 into 3, then we are getting 4,500. Next is this also, this is 5, then this must be 5, this must be 5, this must be 5, this must be 5, this 0, and these two zeros are cancelled. Then let us divide by 5. 5 2 times is 10, divide by 5. 5 2 times is 10, 5 is 25. We are getting this. 5 divide 10 2 times, 5 divide 1 to 5, then 25. Now we are getting this. 11 into 11 into 11 into 25 is getting this. 3, 3, 2, 7, 5. In the denominator 2 is left. 2. So if 3, 3, 2, 7, 5, if we divide by 2, then we are getting this. Rupees 1,637.50. This is getting. Therefore, compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. This is the amount. So this number is writing here minus principal is this. So 12500. If we subtract this, we are getting rupees 4,137.50. So when we compare this compound interest and this simple interest, this is more. So interest for Pabina is this, and interest for Radha is this, and when we compare this, these two is greater. So Pabina pays more interest by, now we have to subtract. From this rupees 4,500, we are going to subtract 4,137.50. If we subtract these two, we are getting rupees 362.50, and this is the answer. Si gyan tara ni ko. Di mathangi question na move to si. Now let's study question number 5. Basudevan invested rupees 6,000 at an interest rate of 12% per annum compounded half yearly, what amount would he get? Question tau hai sim Basudeva na rupees 60,000 si invest aweba. Aduga rate of interest na 12%. Aduga rate si compounded half yearly oi. What amount would he get? Man amount kya phangadagi putho oi. Roman number 1 da after 6 months. 6 months ki matung da man phangadab amount da putho oi. Roman number 2 da na after 1 year. 1 year ki matung da phangadab amount to kya no putho oi. Adu si putho si. Question number 5, solution Roman number 1. Principal is given rupees 60,000. Rate is given 12%. N is given as 6 months. 6 months, if we convert into half year, then that is 1 half year. Then amount A is to find out. If interest is compounded half yearly, then this rate is also we have to convert into half yearly. Rate is given as 12% per annum. Per annum. Per annum means per year. So since interest is compounded half yearly, now this 12 must be divided by 2. 12 by 2% per half yearly. Per half yearly. So if to divide 12, if 12 is divided by 2, we are getting 6. So we are getting 6% per half yearly. Half yearly. Now formula, we know amount A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole power, and this is the formula to find out amount. Then principal P is rupees 6,000, 1 plus rate is now 6, so 6 by 100, and N is 1 half year, so 1. So here 6 and 100 plus 6 is 106. Now this 0 and this 0 are cancelled, and this 0 and this 0 are cancelled. Now 600 into 106 rupees. 6 times is 36. 6 1 time is 6. Now 2 zeros are left, so we are getting this. If we multiply 600 and 106, we are getting 63600. In Roman number 2, we have to find out amount after 1 year. Here, principal P is given as rupees 60,000, and N is given as 1 year. Since interest is compounded half yearly, this 1 year we have to convert into half year. In 1 year there are 2 half years, so 2 half year is getting. Next is rate is 12% per annum, and since interest is compounded half yearly, this per annum is per year, so this also have to convert, rate also have to convert into half yearly. Then 12 is divided by 2, then per half yearly. If 2 divide 12, then we are getting 6% per half yearly. Next is formula to find out amount. Amount is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. Then next steps. Principal is rupees 60,000. 1 plus rate is 6 by 100. This and this N is 2. Rupees 60,000. Then if we want to add 1 plus 6 by 100, we are taking LCM of denominator, then 100. 1 into 100 is 100 plus 6 whole square. Rupees 60,000. 100 plus 6 is 106 by 100 whole square. Rupees 60,000 into, since here is power 2, we have to multiply 2 times. 106 by 100 into 106 by 100. These 2 zeros and these 2 zeros are cancelled, and these 2 zeros and these 2 zeros are cancelled. Then let us multiply 106 into 106 into rupees 6. then we will get rupees. If we multiply 106 into 106, we are getting this. Then we have to multiply by 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 3 carry. 6 3 are 18, 19, 20, 21, 2 carry. 6 2 are 12, 13, 14. 6 1 time is 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 1 time is 6. We are getting this. So rupees 67,416 is getting. Therefore, amount after 6 months is equal to, there is this 66,600 rupees, 63,600, and amount after 1 year is equal to rupees, there is that 67,416. Here it is over. I hope you can understand that. Okay, then let's try next question. We finished question number 5, 6, 7, 8. This question are same type of question, so let's not waste our time. Now let's try this question number 9. Let's study the question. Find the amount which Ram will get on rupees 4,096 if he gave it for 18 months at 12.5% per annum, interest being compounded half yearly. How's the question? The high see Ramna amount kaya pangadagi putho haiba aduga man puthoiba paisa sina puthoiba paisa haiba the principal duna rupees 4,096 ni aduga 18% si mana putho rate na 12.5% per annum ni aduga interest compounded torisi half yearly ni haiba adu ta di half yearly oitar di sigi 18 months si koina half yearly da on batarga di 3 months la ni aduga sigi 12.5% si per annum ni haiba di sahi amagi rate ni adu sisu akoina half yearly da on thok hatar di 12.5 si da 2 na divide tawni to di hojik tawrsi. Principal sipire, principal is rupees 4,096. Next is N. N is 18 months. Since interest is compounded half yearly, this 18 months we have to convert into half yearly. So 18 months, if we convert into half yearly, then there are 3 half year are there. Half year. Then rate is 12.5% per annum. Per annum means per annum means per year. So this also we have to convert into half yearly. So this 12.5, if we convert into improper fraction, then 12 into 2 is 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 by 2% per annum. Per annum means per year. So if we want to convert this into half yearly, again we have to divide by 2 like this. 25 by 2 into 2% per half yearly. 25 in the numerator, 2 times 2 is 4. 25 by 4% per half yearly. Per half yearly. Then we have to find out amount. Now formula, we know amount A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. This is the formula of compound interest. Amount is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Now next step. Principal P is here, so write this rupees 4,096. So principal is rupees 4,096 and 1 plus rate is 25 by 4 by 100 and n is 3. Now next steps. Rupees 4,096 1 plus 25. This 4 will come down in the denominator, then the number will be like this, whole to the power 3. Rupees 4096 1 plus 25 by, if 4 and 100 are multiplied, then we will get 400 whole to the power 3. Then rupees 4096. Here LCM of the denominator is 400. 1 into 400 is 400 plus 25 whole to the power 3. Rupees 4096 400 plus 25 is 425 whole to the power 3. Now let's divide by 5. 5 8 times is 40, then 0. Let us divide this by 5. 5 8 times is 40, 5 5 are 25. Again, let us divide by 5. 5 divide 18, 5 1 time is 5. 5 6 times is 30. Then let us divide 85 by 5. 5 1 time is 5. Next is 35. 5 7 times is 35. So 17 by 16. Rupees 4096 into, here 17, here 16, and power is 3. So 17 by 16, since here is power 3, we have to multiply 3 times. 17 by 16, 3 times. Now this 4096, let us divide by 16. 16 2 times is 32. If we subtract 8, next is 9. 5 times. 16 5 times is 80. If we subtract 9 and 6, now 6 times. 6 6 are 36. 96. We are getting 256. So this, divide this, getting 256. 16 again, divide this, we are getting 16. This 16 and this 16 are cancelled. Now 17 into 17 into 17. Let us multiply this. 17 multiplied by 17. 7 7 are 49. 7 7 8 9 10 11. Then 17 to 8 9. Again multiplied by 17. 7 9 are 63. 6 carry. 3 8 are 20. 7 9 are 63. 3 is here. 6 carry. 7 8 are 56. 7 58 59 60 61 62. 6 carry. 7 2 are 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. 1 9 times is 9. 1 8 times is 8. 1 2 times is 2. This is getting. Now add together 3 9 10 11. 1 carry. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4. We are getting 4913 rupees. 4913. So amount is getting this. Hence the required amount is equal to this, rupees 4930. Here the question is over. See, bhab tareko yareko. Question number 10 and 11 are same, so you try this. Now let's try question number 12. Let's start the question. A scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. Question now is scooter ama rupees 42,000 piraga laire have. Aduga magi value si per annum haibadi sahida 8% tathar e have. Masagi scooter gi magi value do sahi amada 8% tathar e have. Find its value after 1 year. Adu itardi sahi amagi matungda scooter do ki mai value si kya oiga dege potho have. Si yenga si hol si. Question number 12 solution here. PC ngasagi scooter gi magi value do oirani. Scooter do rupees 42,000 the laire. Depreciation rate R is 8% per annum. And in a number of year do I do ini 1 year. 1 year in matung da ngasagi scooter ki amount do haibadi maman do kaya oigadagi hab amount puthopagi formula do silai karigumba rate si depreciate torpo taragadi haibadi rate si tathrapo taragadi sida plus oibagi mahuta minus lakani aduna haujigi question number 12 to the rate to depreciate tobonina sigi plus ki mahuta minus lani adudi formula irasi. For depreciation we know amount A is equal to principal P 1 minus lakani minus rate by 100 whole to the power n. Depreciation ke di si minus hai lakani. Let's keep the value of P, that is 42,000. 1 plus rate is 8 by 100 and n is 1, so 1. Next, rupees this 42000. Let's add together 1 plus 8 by 100. If we take LCM, 100. 100 plus 1 is 100 plus 8. Power 1, no need to write, leave it. Rupees 42,000 into 100 plus 8 is 108, then in the denominator 100. These two zeros and these two zeros are cancelled. Now let us multiply these two. 108 let us multiply by 420. 0 8 times is 0, 0 0 times 0, 0 1 time is 0, then by 2, 2 8 times is 16, 2 1 time is 2, 4 8 times is 32, 4 1 time is 4. Now let's add together 0 8 4 6. We are getting this. Here I make one mistake, and this is minus sign, so this must be minus, so by mistake I keep here plus sign, so let's make this correction. So this is minus, so this will be minus sign, this also minus sign. 100 minus 8 is 92, then 0 0 cancel, 420 into 92 here, 20 times 0, 2 2 are 4, 2 4 times is 8, 9 0 times 0, 9 2 times is 18, 1 carry, 9 4 are 36 plus 1 is 37. Let's add together 0 4 16, 1 carry, 8 3. We are getting this. Rupees 38,640, and this is the answer. Therefore, the value of the scooter after 1 year will be rupees 38,640, and this is the answer. See, gyan tare ko, bhab tarani ko. Okay, then for today, let's stop here. All of you, thank you.